How to sign in to the SeekPass app. If you want to sign in to the SeekPass app, it's quite simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the SeekPass app first, and this is the interface that you will see. So first thing is, it's going to just ask me to enter my email address that I want to log in to SeekPass with. So let me quickly go ahead and then type in my email address. Make sure, by the way, that you have got access to this email, and then just tap on the get code button. It's going to send a verification code to your email, so just be patient and wait. And after you do so, just type the verification code within your account. Once you've done that, you can see we'll be successfully logged in. You can also set up a 4-digit PIN so that next time it will be easier for you to log into your account like this. And once you confirm the PIN, you can just tap on this button. You can also set up a Face ID to verify with your Face ID. And once done, you're all set to start using SeekPass. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.